of the way I've attached it. So there's just this L bracket, which I had to drill a few extra holes in. I like this particular wiper motor because of the configuration of the holes. It worked quite nicely, sitting in a vertical position. Yeah, it's quite small. Give you an idea how big it is, and that's just a 5-litre bucket that I picked up at the local hardware store. The lid is watertight, which is good, and yeah, the wheels I've just bolted in just with some soft drilling bolts and some aluminium, extruded aluminium. I'm not sure what they call that. It's sort of a U-shaped, and that's it. That was the weekend project.